Hey guys, here's a couple tips that's going to make cleaning up metal shavings in your garage a whole lot easier. Hello and welcome to the channel. I am Chris, this is Dirty Trucker 08, and if you're like me, you've got metal shavings out the wazoo. They're everywhere, all over your garage. I'm going to show you how to clean them up, super easy. Tip number 1. Now I got mine on Amazon. This is just a neodymium magnet. They're usually stronger than most typical magnets, and as you can see here, it's approximately 1 inch by 2 and about 3/8 thick. This little guy, according to the ad on Amazon, has 70 pounds of holding force whenever it's stuck to a piece of metal. When it's on there, it's on there. Now one thing to keep in mind about the neodymium magnets, you don't want to let them slap against anything metal, and you really don't want to drop them. They're kind of fragile. But what are you going to do with these magnets? I'm going to show you. So when you've got online, and you've ordered your magnets from wherever you choose, like I said, I got mine from Amazon. Old license plate. Now here's the trick. Tip number 1. Your old license plate, you want to bend it about 90 degrees, 2 or 3 inches up. About like that. That's all you're looking for. If you take your magnet, you set it down inside the license plate, reasonably centered. Now it will want to slide all over, but if you just kind of hold it there, this is what you can do with it. It's awesome. Now all over my floor down here, there's a bunch of metal shavings from where I've been building the intake for the rat, and I'm tired of tracking them everywhere. But when you've got your magnet inside of your license plate, you just kind of hover it around. And as you can see, it starts to collect all the little metal shavings. Now clearly this only works on steel. It is not going to pick up aluminum shavings. So you're not going to be able to do this simple trick with that. All this aluminum isn't going anywhere. But all the metal shavings, you can see have collected on the back. And now that you've got your metal shavings on the back of your license plate here, you've got a couple things to keep in mind. I learned this the hard way. When you go to take these off, those are all incredibly sharp. You don't just want to grab them. Because license plates are aluminum, you can just take the magnet off the back and all the shavings are going to fall off. But here's the trick. If you take the magnet and you slide it to the edge to take it off, all those shavings are all over your magnet. What you're going to want to do is grab the magnet and pull it directly away from the license plate. And then all the shavings drop right into the trash can, assuming you're holding the license plate over a trash can when you pull the magnet off. And here we are at the trash can. We got our magnet. We've still got our shavings on there. You take that magnet and you lift it off, which that one's kind of, apparently I've got a lot of metal on there because this thing's hanging on awful tight. And you lift it, all your metal shavings are gone, and now your magnet just wants to slide all over again. But you can go back and do it again, clean up whatever you need to. And there you go. A couple simple tips on how you can take a neodymium magnet and an old license plate, make cleaning your shop a little bit easier. Hopefully you guys learned something. Thanks for watching, and thanks for hanging out. Hey guys, if you're still watching, here's a bonus tip for you. When you've got your magnet and your license plate and you're trying to put it up somewhere, the license plate will hang on the wall with a nail hole super easy. Nail in the wall, stays up there, no problems whatsoever. But this magnet's going to want to fly all over the place if this bumps or turns or leans or whatever. But if you take a washer Just a cheap run-of-the-mill steel washer. Put it on the back of the license plate, put your magnet to it, it'll hold it right on there. It's not falling off or going anywhere. Simple washer, holds everything in place. You're just going to have to replace the washer every time, or remember to take it off before you start cleaning up your metal shavings.